You need to watch this if you think only plants can photosynthesize. What if I told you there's an animal out there doing exactly that? Yup, it's not sci-fi, it's science. Meet the sea slug, Elysia chlorotica. This little creature munches on algae, but it's not just snacking, it's stealing. The slug takes algae genes and actually uses them to photosynthesize, just like a plant. That means it can turn sunlight into energy, literally solar-powered. This mind-blowing trick is called horizontal gene transfer, and it blurs the line between animal and plant. Nature is wild, right? So next time you're at the beach, remember, the real superheroes might just be under the waves. Like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing science facts.